Hi, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here to bring you some information, especially those who are on their journey of building their credit. I have a $8,000 trade line that you get. You can get, it's actually, to be exact, $8,500 primary trade line that you can get even if you have bad credit. Now, the reason why this is important, I made another video on how to really, this can help you even achieve getting larger lines of credit by adding these primary trade lines. What people don't understand a lot of times, the way the banking system works, the banks only extend you credit as the prior bank that has extending you credit. So if you have a credit card, for example, with Capital One, and then you apply for a Credit One bank, if the Capital One only gave you a $300 credit limit, most likely when you apply for Credit One, they're only going to give you a $300 credit limit because the way the credit system works, they only extend credit and trust you as the prior bank trusts you. And a real sweet spot for credit that the banking institution understands and know is a $5,000 credit line. And the reason that is important, they know that most banks only extend you a credit line increase for your credit card twice a year, every 6 months. So it takes a person years to establish a credit card line, a primary trade line in your own name of $5,000. It is a long road of responsible credit history. So a lot of people want trade lines and use authorized users, paying $800 for these authorized users accounts. And little do they know that is not going to help you really achieve getting larger lines of credit for credit cards, because when you look at your credit report, it will clearly say it's an authorized user account. That doesn't work anymore. So you want primary trade lines in your own name. So this can help you achieve larger lines of credit by adding these trade lines and then applying for Visa, MasterCard logo type of credit cards. So this is Shop Simplio, which is what's going to be a primary trade line reporting as an unsecured line of credit to your credit profile, but it is a merchandise card exclusively for their products. But what it will in turn do when you are getting these products and services from this company, what it would return report to the credit bureaus this line of credit for $8,500, and it will help you not only be able to achieve larger lines of credit with other banking institutions, but also help you to build positive payment history. So, right now they have a promotion, take $25 off your first order of $100 and more. So, it's when you apply online and are approved for a Shop Simplio membership. And the product promotion code here is PVGMR. If you need to get to this website, don't worry about it. I have the link in the description. So let's break down how this works. So we're going to go to the how it works. So for this, how it works, yes, we offer real benefits. Join and take part of them. And it tell you it's easy approval even if you have bad credit. Build good credit history and look good while doing it. Get an approval up to $8,500 of unsecured revolving credit within 48 to 72 hours. And the key here, guys, you want to get unsecured, not secured credit. As I tell my clients that I work with, secured credit on your credit profile make you look like it's training wheels. It's a clear indication that you're not a responsible person. So you want unsecured lines of credit, and this will even in return help you improve your credit score. Actually, it can help you boost your credit score. Then it says you can add on new name brand products that's added on daily. Become a member today and start taking advantage of Shop Simplio incredible benefits. So let's break down what the benefits. So how do you qualify for shopsimplio.com membership? To qualify for an account with shopsimplio.com, the following minimum criteria must be met. You have to be a U.S. citizen. You must be 18 or older. You have to have a valid social security number, have a monthly household income of $1,400 a month, and you have to purchase a membership and complete the application on the checkout page, and prior credit history, good or bad. So the membership, you guys, is a one-time annual membership fee of $69.99. So that is the membership fee. So it says, how does the account work? Number one, you got to complete the payment for a membership fee and any applicable down payments or sales tax. After checking out with the membership, place an order for any of our top quality products into your shopping cart and complete the checkout. And then number three, agree to the terms and conditions on checkout. So make sure you guys to check this out. If you are a person that need to build your credit score, like I said, if you are on your credit journey and you want to develop larger lines of credit or get approval in the future for larger lines of credit with a Visa, MasterCard logo, this is a good trade line to put on your credit report to help you achieve your goals. Also, if you're looking to increase your credit score, this will help you also. So I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section and I will reply. If you need to work on your credit and you're on your credit journey and you have collections, which could be uh, the real issue to getting you denied for credit, we have collection removal packages and dispute packages for any charge offs, any other negative items, late payments in the description. We also can help you if you have hard inquiries, can get you denied for credit, even if you have an 800 credit score. Too many hard inquiries will get you denied. We have a free hard inquiry removal letter at our website. So you can sign up there. We actually give you a free hard inquiry removal package, absolutely free. So go to our website, and if you need my help personally, I have in the description where if you need a consultation, if you've been a person that been hit with a number of inquiries, a way that you can possibly remove some of those in 24 hours, and you can book a consultation and we can help you with that also. So I hope this information is helpful to you guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.